I'm making a meal with someone in every state. Today, I'm in DC with Jonah, who I actually first met in New York City on a food tour. He told me to come visit him sometime, so I took him up on the offer and we spent the weekend cooking and making videos.
Circumstance is a tricky thing, right? You can be born into a certain family in a different economic class in a different region based on boundaries that are imaginary and made up, essentially. But, food is like sort of that storytelling vessel, right? Breaking down barriers, finding connections with people, some of which you thought you never had or could never share, is what it's all about, right? Taking a journey, telling a story, your own unique story that can resonate. Get some hate, you'll get some love, right? There's always good and bad on the spectrum. Growing up mixed I saw both ends and ate a lot of rice on both sides. Documenting like your journey between meeting different people, different states, right? That's the exact example of those imaginary lines that separate people. But if you give them some good curry, they don't give a shit. They'll eat it up, man.